Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we're tracking Tropical Storm Arlene here in the Atlantic Basin. If you think that's pretty strange to be talking about tropical storms in the month of April, it is. This is only the second time we've had an April tropical storm since recorded history there back in the 1960s when it comes to hurricane data. But we have a severe threat and an enhanced risk over parts of Oklahoma, Texas, and then some flooding rains. This is a look at Tropical Storm Arlene, though. It doesn't look like much, but it is drifting west, and it will pose no threat to the lower 48 or Bermuda as it kind of just hangs out in the central Atlantic. Meanwhile, yesterday we had a number of wind and hail reports across the central and eastern part of the nation. Wichita Falls, Texas is actually under slight risk of severe weather, but then just east of there, we have an enhanced threat. That's where we have our best chance for some tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. And again, that threat for large hail and damaging winds actually stretches out into the mid-Atlantic states this afternoon and evening. So we'll be watching for that. But this entire cluster of thunderstorms will begin to develop and shift east through the overnight hours. And then by Saturday, it'll be setting up shop over parts of the southeast and the mid-Atlantic states. So it's going to be kind of a soggy next few days in these particular areas. There's your slight risk of severe weather in Mississippi on Saturday. That marginal risk over to North Carolina. And then another marginal threat out near Atlanta and into South Carolina for Sunday. But look at that quarter of heavy rain. Again, looking at the potential of maybe 2 to 4 inch tallies, and our flood watches through Saturday, including these particular areas for the potential, again, of some very heavy rainfall in a short amount of time, which could lead to flash flooding. Meanwhile, we continue the winter weather headlines across the Rockies and also into Wyoming. Some spots there could be dealing with about 8 to 14 inches of snow by the time this is all said and done. But that'll continue yet over the next couple of days. Have a good one.